Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint against your electricity department. First, clearly identify the exact nature of your issue, whether it's a billing error, power outage, or service problem. Next, gather all supporting documents, such as your recent electricity bills, payment receipts, and any prior correspondence with the department. It's also crucial to record specific dates, times, and names of any personnel you've spoken with regarding the issue. This preparation ensures you have a strong case. Once you have your information ready, your next step is to contact the electricity department directly. Utilize their official customer service helpline or their dedicated online complaint portal. Many departments offer a 24/7 service for immediate assistance. When you submit your complaint, always ensure you receive a unique complaint reference number. This number is vital for tracking the progress of your issue and for any follow-up communication you might need to make. If your initial complaint remains unresolved after a reasonable period, it's time to escalate the matter. Look for the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum or a designated grievance officer within the electricity department. Many departments have a structured escalation process, often detailed on their website. If direct communication doesn't yield results, prepare a formal written complaint detailing all previous attempts and the lack of resolution. This formal step often prompts a more serious review of your case. As a final recourse, if all internal and departmental escalation avenues are exhausted, you can approach external authorities. This includes consumer courts or the Electricity Regulatory Commission in your region. These bodies are designed to mediate and resolve disputes between consumers and service providers. Ensure you have a meticulously prepared case, including all evidence and records of communication. For complex issues involving substantial financial loss, consulting with a legal professional can provide valuable guidance and support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.